Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HP NV4520 series. I have 4523, and now I'm gonna show you how to load the A4 paper or other types of paper into this printer. So to do it, you just need to open the paper tray. To do it, first you need to press on this part of the printer and the paper tray will open. So as you can see here we have the paper tray. So to open it, just press on it, then take it out, and great. As you can see, here we have the paper tray with these great plastic parts. Using these parts, we can configure our paper size. For example, if you need to insert the envelopes, or you need to change the size of this tray to envelope size and insert the paper. If you need to insert, I don't know, A5 paper card, so you just need to change the size of this tray to A5 card. For example, I need to insert A4 cards into my printer. Here I have A4 cards and I need to make it wider. I need to insert it and make it a little closer. Great, that's it. Now just close the paper tray. That's cool. That's it. Click yes, and great. Now you can print using your size and your type of paper. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.